Hi, this is Zonmin. This is my level for the check-in 3. I have my sprint mechanic in place, and I have my shooting projectile mechanic in place. There's some fixes for the projectile. I don't know if my character size shrunk when shooting the projectile. My character suddenly feels a bit small, but some of the platforming here I've made the distance further, because now with the sprint it allows the player to jump a further distance, so it will force the player to use the sprint ability during this platforming. And then for these doors, one mechanic that's not implemented yet is the enemies chase. For my last project, I do have the enemy follow AI. However, this time, instead of a simple chase, I also have to shoot projectiles and aim at the enemy to do damage to their health. And also, me getting attacked would also, I would take damage, but the enemies will be melee enemies. So I'm going to have to get the animation set up. And these will be mechanics where you shoot, the doors will close so you can force the enemies out. But then more enemies would spawn, pushing you towards the temple. So as you can see, the objective will update, and I shoot more to block the enemies out. And now, when you run out of stamina, you have to have it rebuild, is what is happening right now. Now I'll reach the temple, and I'll have to grab this key item. And the moment I grab it, the objective will update again. Now I have to jump out of this window for the leap of faith. And once I do that, I get the win condition, but I accidentally also trigger the game over. But now the game over and the game win both have a restart and a quit. I probably have to implement something to make sure that they don't overlap with each other, because there's still a chance that the player can die when touching this water because of how the game is set up. So the player... Purposely, the design should be that the player should make it to the boat. That will trigger the game win, but right now I shouldn't simultaneously trigger the game win and the game over at the same time. So that is it for my level design. Thank you very much.